माइक्रोफोन में देख के बोलो। So why do you want to study at Simej College? All right, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Next. Good afternoon.
My name is Vishnu and I passed my 10th from Army Public School and scored 75% and I've completed my 12th from Sinha Model High School and I scored 83.2% and the stream was the science with maths. Physics, chemistry, and maths. And
So how come physics, chemistry, and maths you converted into AKU, BBA? All right. Okay.
I come from Danapur and the home is Patna and
Tell me something about your family.
my father is an army. He's an army.
My mother, your mother.
And she's a housewife.
And why did you want to opt for BBA and where do you see yourself 5 years from now? What are your responsibilities towards Simej College? Okay. And what are your expectations from Simej College? Only placement. Nothing else. All right, next.
I am Sonu Kumar and I belong to Patna. I have passed.
Where's your micro? Where's your phone?
I am Sonu Kumar and I belong to Patna. I have passed 12 from N college. And my hobby is playing golf. I am also professional golf in Patna golf course.
You play golf.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me something about what are the techniques of playing golf?
Access, control, essence, and mind free. And mind free of mind.
Okay. You have to have a mind free to, I mean, golf is something very involving. How can you say that
Yes, ma'am. This is
it's
very-
mind free?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You mean to say that sports is a great great thing to do to avoid stress? Do you mean that?
Yes.
कि स्पोर्ट्स से टेंशन कम होता है, ये बताना चाहते हो क्या?
No, ma'am. Golf से मैम ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स.
Okay.
Golf से.
Fine. Yes, next.
Okay, I start. Hello friends, good afternoon. I'm Ravi Shankar Singh and I belongs to Patna itself. Recently, I'm completed 10th from CBSE board and I have passed 12th from CBSE.
Mhm.
And basically, I'm a student and I'm pursuing graduation in Siemens Institute. And my hobby is to playing a kabaddi and I like most to traveling in other country. And I want to become in future a perfect businessman. And that's all about me. Thank you.
What are your expectations from Simaj College?
Uh, for giving a best quality of educations and also some skills. And that's all.
And what
And give
will
me
and what
teach me
will
what? Sorry, ma'am.
be your contribution to Simaj College?
Uh, actually, my contribution is well disciplined manner and also in personality and also respect the teachers and faculties also and my friends.
Did you all participate in the Rangoli competition?
No, actually, this is my second class and I have no friends on that time. That's why I can't join Rangoli competition.
Okay, next.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Sahil Raj. I have completed my 10th from Jesus and Mary. The school is nearby my house, and after 10th, I have completed my 11th, 12th from GGS College. And after that, I have came here for my graduations. I have listened many good things about this college, CMS College, and I have searched many things in internet also for this college, and I have received good news from it. And my hobbies are thinking some stories and some songs, and I want to become a good businessman in future, and that's all.
I did not understand your hobby is thinking.
Ma'am, I just think just ma'am, I can explain.
हाँ, explain करो. Because ये
Ma'am,
पहली बार सुन रहे हैं कोई hobby thinking है.
ma'am, story thinking, ma'am. Ma'am, my hobbies are story thinking, ma'am. Just like I take some points from anywhere and start thinking and making a story, ma'am, in my mind.
Oh, then your hobby is creative writing.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ऐसे बोलो ना.
Sorry, ma'am, थोड़ा सा hesitation, ma'am, in first.
कोई नहीं. चलो, कोई नहीं. All right, now I have online Nishu Kumari. Nishu Kumari, tell me something about yourself. Yes, hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry, good evening.
Okay.
My name is Nishu Kumari. I live in Patna at Kurthal, Daryapur.
Mhm.
And I have 10th pass out government school.
Mhm.
And my hobbies is dancing, singing, and reading books.
Mhm.
And
And all right, next. Let us hurry up. We'll talk to everybody in the class. Anamika Kumari.
A very good morning, ma'am. I am Anamika Kumari, daughter of Vinay Kumar, 18-year-old. As far as my education qualification is concerned, pursuing BBA from Siemens College, and my hobbies are singing and dancing, and I want to be a manager in any national or international company. It's my introduction. Thank you.
Now I have Ruben Raj.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Ruben Raj, who had already completed my 16 years of my life. I belong from Bikram, Patna. My father, my father name is Sri Ranjit Kumar. He is a businessman. My mother name is Pratima Devi. She is a housewife. My hobby is to playing cricket.
All right. Now I have, yes, what's your name? Shubham. Yeah.
Good afternoon. I'm Shivam from Danapur, Patna. And I passed my 10th from Sunshine Secondary School and 12th from Himalayan International School.
Mhm.
And my hobby is to be playing music. Ma'am.
All right. Next.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Dharmesh Kumar. I live in Baba. I spent passed SLS Science from Urdu. And 12th passed MS College House. My hobby is cricket and football.
Priya Kumari.
My name is Priya Kumari. I belongs to Rajgir. I have completed my 12th from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, and my hobbies are playing. And I see myself after 5 years as a manager in companies and a bank. That's
Parvinder Kaur.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Parvinder Kaur. I belong from Patna. I completed my intermediate from St. Dominic Xavier's High School. My father names is Inderjeet Singh. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Ravinder Kaur. She is a housewife. My hobby is to play cricket, badminton, basketball. I want to become a manager after 5 years.
Okay, that's good. Yashanshi Yami.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
My name is Yashanti. I belong to Muzaffarpur. I did my 10th from CBSE board and 12th from Bihar board. In my family, apart from my younger brother, my hobby is dancing. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Sahil Raj. Yeah, continue. Who is Sahil Raj? Done. People at the back?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, ma'am. My name is Shankar Kumar. I studied from where, but currently stay in Hyderabad for study purpose. I have completed my 10th from there. I have only 2 members in my family, including me and my mom.
Next, first one.
My name is Abhishek Kumar. I live in Patna. I did my class 10th and 12th from St. Karan Secondary School. I am currently pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College, Patna. My hobby is to play cricket. My strengths are that I am self-motivated, hardworking, self-disciplined. My short-term goal is to get a job in well-reputed company. I belong from nuclear family. That's what. Thank you.
Have you attended the bridge class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Raghu Raja.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm sorry for the some camera issues. My computer is not working properly. For that, I'm Raghu Raj, and I've completed my 10th from Kitty Convent High School and my intermediate from Kendriya Vidyalaya. Right now, my father is a government employee. That's it. That's my introduction.
Tell me, what is your interest? What is your hobby? Tell me something about your family.
Ma'am, my hobbies are swimming, first of all. My second hobby is I usually do typing. That's I have interest in. I have interest in stock market stuffs, and that's my hobby. And I want to be a good businessman, and I want to be in a good firm in the future. That's it.
Anybody else who has not spoken today?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Yupi Kumar. I belong to Patna itself. Thank you.
All done?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Priyanshu Singh, and I'm from Patna, Bihar. I have done my 10th from CBSE board from New Era Public School, and I got 75%. And also I have done my 12th from CBSE from Hojim Center School. Thank you, ma'am.
Were you saying something?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Anshul Kumar from Pothi. I 12 pass out in Bihar, BSAB Patna. My goal is riding and traveling. Sorry, my hobbies is riding and traveling. My goal is industrial development.
हो गया सबका? हो गया सब?
Yes, ma'am.
People online, all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are so very few students in the class. 15 students are there who are online. And very few students have come today. Maybe all of you will come after Chhath, maybe. I'm going to take your business English class, communicative English. Do you have any questions regarding the course? Any questions?
Ma'am, Siddharth has pointed some topics. Siddharth has pointed some topics.
कौन कौन पढ़ाना है, कौन कौन नहीं पढ़ाना?
ग्रामर पढ़ाएंगे
ऑनलाइन करके।
I already know that. So I have to take all the technical skills. Like what is the first chapter is letter writing. Have you received the book? हम जो पढ़ाएंगे आपको, what I will take you is teach you is business letters. लिख लीजिए. Business letters, types of letters, letter format or styles of letters, business letters, letters, in which you will study what are business letters, what is formal and informal writing, formal, informal, format of letters, parts of letters, types of letters, then there is official correspondence, business correspondence, you will know what is agenda, writing styles, success stories of Rahul Bajaj, Narayan Murthy, success stories of Narayan Murthy, success stories of Subhash Chandra, job applications, resume writing, resume making, presentation skills, interview skills, and in grammar portion there is types of sentences, simple sentence, compound complex, and direct indirect पदार्थ से ले रहे हैं क्या? तो all grammar is taking, active passive भी ले रहे हैं भाई. Parts of speech, so I've also given you what I will be teaching. Plus presentation skills बहुत important है, मतलब कि कहने का मतलब है कि written and oral, written आपका सही होना चाहिए और आपको job ready कैसे हो सकते हैं, how to face an interview, how to write a resume, everything which is important for you in a company, how to write notice, what is, how to write, put up a notice, what is report writing, what is public speaking. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग मतलब क्या होता है? आर्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन होता है, ठीक है, प्लस everything which is required for you for the job or for the interview, and everything is important for you to work on your, what is memo writing क्या होता है, minutes of the meeting क्या होता है, every correspondence in an office, that will be taught. So first semester and second semester, first semester में theory रहता है आपका, and the same thing is introduced in the second semester, but I keep a balance. There has to be practical writing in your first semester and second semester also. The syllabus is not much, but then you will have to be alert, because ये बिल्कुल नई चीज है जो आप शायद नहीं जानते होंगे पहले. जैसे अभी हम पूछेंगे what is the difference between official letter and business letter. What is communication?
Communication is a way to connect with my other people.
Okay. What are the types of communication?
Mass communication.
Hmm.
Some horizontal, vertical. Both are the communication.
What do you mean by horizontal communication, vertical communication?
Suppose one person is a superior or subordinate, and middle person is a manager,
Mhm.
and the superior communicate. Then the superior communicate the managers, and manager communicate the supervisors, and this is a horizontal.
No, this is vertical.
Okay, this is a vertical. Sorry, I forget something.
Communication channels होता है, barrier of communication होता है, process of communication होता है. All this you will be learning here. ठीक है? So since it is a new subject, be present in the class. Otherwise, when you will miss out, you will have problems. Okay. What is a memo? Does anybody know? Agenda क्या होता है? What is agenda? नहीं बता पाओगे? No idea. What is memo? What is minutes of the meeting? So all these things will be discussed in the class. Okay. You as managers should know every technical details about how to work in an organization. What is verbal communication? नहीं पता. What is non-verbal communication? Huh? क्या? Texting. सारा गेस वर्क रॉन्ग हो रहा है तुम्हारा. बेसिकली दो तरह का कन्वर्सेशन होता है, दो तरह का होता है. इन द ब्रॉड सेंस दो तरह का, वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल. अब वर्बल क्या चीज है? गेस करो क्या हो सकता है? मतलब हम तुमसे बात करने, ये वर्बल हो गया, डायरेक्ट बात करना. और जो ऑनलाइन बात करें वो क्या हो गया? ये नॉन वर्बल हो गया.
नो मैम.
तो क्या हुआ?
वर्बल. वर्बल.
अच्छा, जो लेटर लिखते हैं वो नॉन वर्बल हो गया.
नो मैम, वर्बल.
वो भी वर्बल हो गया. अच्छा, ये भी वर्बल है, वो भी वर्बल है. तो फिर नॉन वर्बल क्या हुआ बेटा?
मैम
मैम जिसमें फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, आई कांटेक्ट, वो सब होता है.
सही है। वर्बल का मतलब होता है या तो आप लेटर लिख रहे हो या तो आप कुछ बोल रहे हो। when you are using words whether orally or written, this is called verbal communication, जहाँ पर शब्दों का प्रयोग होता है। ठीक है, आप उसको लिख लोगे, टेक्निकल चीज है, बाद में कभी दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। एक बार सीख लोगे तो once and for all, हमेशा के लिए। verbal means written or oral that requires words, and non-verbal means, can we speak without words? No. Can we speak without words? Can I convey something to you without speaking at all? How? Facial expressions, body language, smiling, crying, we are expressing either continuous communication is which is happening continuously, whether it is verbal or it is non-verbal. हर वक्त कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई कम्युनिकेट कर रहा होता है, verbally, non-verbally. Right? So these technical details we will come to know in my class, and which is very important, which will help you in your job, of course. And lots more. There's so many things to learn in communication, communicative English classes. ये भी आपको बताना हमको है, what are confusing words like allowed, allowed. क्या है allowed, क्या है allowed? ALLOWED, allowed, and ALOUD, confusing words.
मैम एक तो होता है अलाउ करना, किसी का परमिशन देना, और एक अलाउड मतलब थोड़ा जोर से बोलना।
हाँ, प्लीज स्पीक लाउडली. She was allowed, and I will allow you to leave the class. Advice, advice. ADVICE and ADVISE. क्या मतलब होता है एडवाइस, एडवाइस का? सलाह देना तो ये एडवाइस होगा, सलाह लेना भी एडवाइस हो गया। CE क्या है और SE क्या है? लिखो, लिख के देखो। ADVICE, ADVISE. How both are words? How are the words different? ADVICE, ADVISE. चलिए बताइए क्या? हाँ, क्या सेकंड वाला कौन सा? ये सलाह हो क्या? ये सलाहकार है। कंफ्यूज ना? कंफ्यूज। और कोई कंफ्यूज है बताओ? जल्दी बताओ, कोशिश करो ना। ADVICE का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत आसान है।
मैम ADVICE का मतलब सलाह होता है।
वेरी गुड।
और ADVISE इसका मतलब सलाह देना होता है।
वेरी गुड। कौन बोल रही है?
रूबेन राज।
रूबेन राज, वेरी गुड। ADVISE वर्ब है, ठीक है। I advised, I am advising you, वर्ब है ये। और ADVICE सलाह, नाउन है। सबसे पहले डिफरेंस तो ये हो गया ना, डिफरेंस तो ये हो गया, एडीवीआईसी इज अ नाउन, एडीवीआईएससी इज अ वर्ब। एंड आप शो करके बताइए, सेंटेंस में बताइए कि कैसे फर्क है सलाह और सलाह देना। ठीक है, तो ये सभी आपके चैप्टर्स में है, कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स। बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ समझना है, लेकिन मुश्किल नहीं है। क्लास में रहोगे तो बहुत कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा। ठीक है, किसी ने क्लास किया है ब्रिज का क्या, आप में से जितने भी लोग प्रेजेंट हैं यहाँ पर?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम, चलिए, nobody in the class were in bridge class, no issue, no problem. Okay, then that's it for today.